Divine's Blessing, Divine's Love Seminar. I'm AMRITA VIMALA. Vedic Mathematics, Ekantikena Purvena, Class 7, Multiplication Logic 1. We can multiply two-digit number that is less than 100 within 1 minute. Multiplications logic 1, less than 100 two-digit numbers. Okay, 92 into 98. See the image. Unit or ones place is a unit and ones are same. Unit place, what it is there? 2 and 8. Tens place, same number, 9, 9. See the image. Logic 1. When we sum the unit place numbers, answer should be 10. That is 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Logic 2, tens place, same number should be, see, 9, 9. Then use this logic, okay? See the image and write, please. Step 1, 9, just put 2 hyphens and put 2, okay? And 9 to hyphen next line 8, okay? Step 2, now we will start to calculate the number. Tens place number 9 and 9. Just 9 is multiplied by next number. Next number what? 9, 10 is the next number. So 9 tens are 90. That is the left side answer. LHS I put. Step 3, multiply, just multiply one's unit place number. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. That is the right side answer, or HS I put, okay? Complete answer is 9016. 9016 is the answer. Once again I am telling, just write as it is in the image. Tens place number, see, same number, 9, next number 10, 9 tens are 90. Unit place numbers 2 and 8, just multiply, 2 8s are 16. 9016 is the answer. Within 1 minute we can calculate this numbers, okay? Logic is tens place same number should be, that is 9, 9 is that. Unit place, if we add the numbers, 10 should be the answer, okay? 2 plus 8 is 10. Then follow this logic, okay? Thank you. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all. God will shower all blessing to all. Thank you.